Hi, welcome to Class 15. Creative and Reflective Writing. Lesson Objectives. By the end of this class, you will understand the value of creative and reflective writing in communication and self-development. Learn the key techniques of descriptive writing and journaling. Practice writing from personal experience using vivid, emotionally resonant language. Strengthen their ability to articulate feelings, thoughts, and personal growth journeys in writing. Complete a writing task that blends creativity with personal insight. Section 1. What is creative and reflective writing? Creative writing. Creative writing is expressive and imaginative writing that allows you to tell stories, paint mental pictures, or share ideas in a compelling way. It includes storytelling, descriptive writing, poetry, personal narratives. Reflective writing. Reflective writing involves exploring personal experiences, thoughts, and emotions. It helps you process life events, gain insight, and build self-awareness. Why are these skills important? Skill benefit. Creative writing develops imagination, communication style, and persuasive storytelling. Reflective writing builds emotional intelligence, self-awareness, and confidence. Descriptive writing makes communication more vivid, engaging, and memorable. Section 2. The art of journaling. What is journaling? Journaling is the practice of regularly recording thoughts, experiences, or reflections. It can be structured or free-form. Types of journaling. Gratitude. Journal, writing what you're thankful for. Daily reflection, summarizing events and thoughts. Growth journal, tracking progress and lessons learned. Idea journal, capturing ideas, plans, or inspirations. Reflective prompts for journaling. Try responding to these. What is one thing I learned about myself this week? When did I feel most confident, and why? What moment challenged me recently, and how did I respond? Who or what inspires me to grow? What habit am I working to change, and why? Section 3. Descriptive writing. Descriptive writing focuses on painting vivid pictures with words. It appeals to the 5 senses. Sensory language. Use words that describe sight, glimmering sunset, faded photograph. Sound, crackling fire, whispering breeze. Smell, freshly baked bread, dusty attic. Taste, bittersweet chocolate, tangy lemon. Touch, silky scarf, prickly heat. Techniques for effective descriptive writing technique. Explanation example. Show, don't tell. Describe actions or scenes instead of stating facts. She trembled as she read the letter, versus she was scared. Use metaphors, cheeks, similes. Compare for vivid effect. His words were knives slicing through silence. Choose strong verbs, replace weak verbs with vivid action words. She darted out the door instead of she went quickly. Activity. Write a scene. Write a description of a moment in nature or a personal memory using at least 3 sensory details, 2 strong verbs, 1 simile or metaphor. Section 4. Storytelling from the self. Writing a personal growth story. A personal growth story tells of a challenge, a realization, a turning point, or a success. It reflects who you are and how you've changed. Structure for personal stories. Narrative arc. Beginning, the situation or problem. Middle, the challenge, struggle, or process. End, the growth change or realization reflection. What you learned or how you feel now. Example topic. Ideas. A time you overcame fear, learning something the hard way. The first time you stepped out of your comfort zone. How a failure became a breakthrough. A moment that taught you patience or perseverance. Activity. Write your personal growth story. Task instructions. Title your story. Write 300 to 500 words. Focus on clarity, reflection, and emotion. Use descriptive and narrative techniques. Conclude with what you learned. Section 5. Expressing feelings and ideas in writing. Emotional vocabulary. Avoid vague words like, I felt bad. Instead, be specific. Frustrated instead of bad. Thrilled instead of happy. Insecure, anxious, hopeful, resentful, relieved, curious. Use the internal dialogue. Why am I always so afraid? Body reactions. My hands were shaking. Symbolism. The empty chair reminded me of loss. Section 6. Practice and sharing peer exchange. Optional in groups or journals. Read a classmate's short personal growth story. Give feedback. What stood out? What emotions did you feel reading it? Identify 2 strong descriptive elements they used. Section 7. Summary and reflection topic. What we learned. Journaling helps track growth and emotions. Descriptive writing. Brings writing to life using sensory detail. Personal storytelling. Builds communication, clarity, and reflection. Emotional writing encourages vulnerability and precision in expression. Practice quiz. What are the 5 senses used in descriptive writing? What's the difference between showing and telling? Which sentence uses sensory language better? A. It was hot outside. B. The sun scorched the pavement and sweat clung to my neck. Reflect briefly. What personal event would you want to turn into a story, and why? Homework. Write in your journal. Choose one of the reflective prompts discussed and write 200 to 300 words. Finish your personal growth story. Refine it using techniques from class practice descriptive writing. Write a 100-word scene based on a memory from your childhood. Writing is the painting of the voice. Voltaire, thank you for listening. See you in the next class.